Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade, and it's great to have you here. Thanks for stopping by and to have a look at my holiday home tour, and this is part of a collaboration of holiday home tours, Christmas home tours being hosted by David Alain. So please come in and look at my simple home and with simple touches of Christmas and winter with lots of my DIYs, and I'm not putting tags or cards for each and every DIY, but you can check them all in my DIY and decor playlist. Please give a thumbs up if you like my simple home, and I would love to read your comments. I would really love it if you could subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my videos. Thank you. Please come in. Created this little Christmas tree, minimal and lit up Christmas tree with branches and a bamboo stick, and I've put the fairy lights all around it, and I've added lots of branches here, lots of greeneries. They are all natural, all neutral, and I've dangled these handmade ornaments I made some time back, all available in my DIY and decor playlist. Favorite bear sitting out welcoming you all with the snowflake. This is the outside. Welcome in, my friends. Welcome to my little simple home with very minimal decor this time. Here is the hello sign just in my entryway. Here is the place we just come in and sit and get ready for the inside house. A little centerpiece that I made some time back, and I've put a green candle there, my false cactus, and the white paper cut tree and reindeer all sitting on a log slice. I love this log slice so much, and with fairy lights it turns out magical again. And on top of it, in place of a fall decor piece which was there inside the frame, I even upcycled this fall decor wall hanging that I'd made into a winter wall hanging. Instead of a regular wreath, I just added some greens, some white berries, and these are real cotton. Believe me, these are real cotton, and I plucked them from real plants, live plants from a cotton farm on my trip to Alva. It's just lovely, and I love how this piece has turned out. And this is my little cozy corner, and here let me take you. Here is my star-shaped rug, and on it is my easel and my favorite, my happy tree of lovely memories of my family here. With Be Merry sign, another DIY, Live a Good Story sign, and some origami stars. In this corner is my farmhouse DIY. I changed a fall decor picture frame into a winter decor, and which says Believe. Again a DIY, my flickering lamp hurricane here, some plants, and here is another upcycled picture frame from fall to winter and Christmas with green, star and red. My paintings, my multicolored rug that I took out for the winter, and my centerpiece. Here is a doily, again crochet by my mother, and I love this little centerpiece that I made with a red candle. This candle was made by women who made a small handicrafts and a small industry. It's made by them, and on it are my gold painted pine cones and some greens on a little tray, and this is my centerpiece. Moving further is a new addition, a peacock gold platter, and in this corner I have my stack of books which spell out joy, a small little DIY. Another small little DIY is this natural wreath that I made on this lampshade, and just dangled an ornament here, my paintings, and another upcycled project from this. Actually used to be a clock, if you have seen my previous video, and I made it into a fall decor piece, and now I just updated it into a Christmas and winter decor piece. Isn't it just lovely? Here I just put a throw and a snowflake. Another little sitting area here, and here is a bucket of snow balls. Well, actually these are yarns, white yarns and some glittery yarn, all sitting in my metal bucket with a little bow and a handmade ornament and some greens here. And this is a little sitting and a showcase area with some paintings, some handcrafted wood. I keep my books turned the other side so it gives a white background, and I keep handy useful items in boxes, and I just added some pine cones over white painted pots and some greens here and there. And here is my Highness lantern tube, and I have stuck some painted branches and a false bouquet. You have seen it before. And my mantle decor, this was my mantle, my shelf, my showcase, and I've just put some handmade ornaments on this. A Merry Christmas, white and red books, and my another DIY, a face planter, my Let It Snow sign. If you people remember, this used to be blue, but I added this red and white gingham ribbon to make it into a red and white decor piece, because I realized I will not be able to do a red and white decor, because I wanted to change this sofa covers to blue, but my sewing machine jinxed me and I have to wait till I get a new sewing machine. So it's going to be red and white this year. My little hutch area, nothing much has changed, with my black and white pottery, some Sikkim tea sets, marble goblets and some knickknacks on the top. Here in between the toys I've kept some lovely red and bright cards. Here's another DIY project of mine. I'm soon going to share it with you. I've upcycled a piece into this lovely utility item, and with that too with Christmas flavors, with red, white and green. It holds pine cones, greens and my napkins, a bright flowery red plate. Here is a little tree that I made with mason jars, and a goblet with a tree inside, and another red and white bowl with a candle inside. My darlings, my family, and I really like this festive, lovely look that has come here. And coming on this side is my dining table, and I have done this little centerpiece with real cotton flowers and all false berries and little white flowers, but I really love the look that it gives. It's very festive, very fresh, very sweet, and I really love it. And here is another DIY of mine. I'm soon going to share it with you how I made this in an upcoming video. And this is my dining space. I keep it clean with no items on it, actually not much, so that we can work here with the family with small kids. This is really active space of the family. Here on my microwave I have my merry and bright sign, and I made this sign using 2 boxes put together and a ribbon in red and white chingam check, and I just hand lettered merry and bright over it, and I think this place has turned out very nice. So this is all that I have done so far, and new additions I'll share with you sure. I hope you enjoyed my home tour, and see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for coming, for stopping by. Have a lovely holidays.